I feel like the last two videos had been so unhinged. But it's okay. It's just the internet. And I may see this 10 years from now. And I'll just laugh. So this is an entertainment, a piece of entertainment for my future self in a way. Hi, my future self. You smell really nice, by the way. I think I would like to repeat the question I gave you. How do you experience being human? Also, are you someone who feel pain in a very intense way, or are you just like, even when are you like the person when someone betrays you, you're just like, well, that's fine? Or are you like, does betrayal reach your soul, or is this something that you can just get rid of when you take a shower? That's my question. I hope I'm not flashing something. But yeah, because normally the way I experience, part of how I experience being human when I'm walking at the streets, I like looking at people. But I do so in a semi-normal way. Because I know that a lot of people don't like being looked at, but I like looking at people. Because I'm fascinated by the form. Or the, like, just the fact that I'm seeing a human being with my own eyes, and I have eyes and they're working. They may not be working as properly because I need glasses, but still, that's a real human being. And they're walking and they're beautiful. And they are dressing some, yeah. That's how I once shared to I forgot who I shared this to or how many times I said it. I think only once in my life that I managed to have an opportunity to share this to another human being. I once told her, now I remember. The reason why I spoke to her about this is because we are talking about lust. Lust as in, yeah, the LUST word. Because apparently there are people out there, when they see a human being, they want to, yes, you can fill in the blanks. I know you can. And for me, I explained to her, I don't really experience that kind of thing. That part only comes when this person, I find this interesting person, I feel emotionally sort of connected to them, or yeah, if I've spent enough time with them, that's the only time I could feel a tinge maybe that I wanna do the, but then if it's just a normal human being that's just walking on the street. And then she elaborated on, like, don't you, when you see a well-built sort of person, like a man or something, and this I told her, You know, I look at human beings like I look at sculptures in the museum. I look at the form, I look at how yeah, I look at the human beings like I look at artworks in the museum. Like the paintings, the color, especially when the sun hits their hair. It's so nice. No matter it's blonde or brunette or something. It's so nice, especially when it's sunset. The sun hits the hair or the eyes. The eyes. It becomes more bright. And yeah, that's very interesting to me. The humans. And I feel like that's gonna be the default state by now. Like I'm just a kid in a museum. And these artworks, even if I speak to them, they will not hear me. Or even if they try to speak to me, I could hear them still. But maybe it's so hard to explain. I wanna try again. Basically, being a quiet kid in general, even when I was a child, it feels like I'm in a museum, a child in a museum. I know that these sculptures or should I should I hit stop because apparently the energy I have is not enough to transform the world inside two words. I'll try later or tomorrow or the next day or I'll try because this is something that I really want to explore.